Ever wondered what it takes to make a home run hitter? Imagine the roar of the crowd, the thrill of the game, and the perfect swing. Today, we're not just making a bat. We're creating the magic of baseball. Get ready to be transported to the heart of the action with Makers Unveiled. Did you imagine? How do you feel? That roar of the crowd, does it make you want to play? How about that swing? Can you feel a home run coming? Now imagine being transported back in time, where baseball was like the Wild West, with no standard rules for their design. Players often made their own bats, experimenting with different lengths and weights to find what worked best for them. As the sport grew in popularity, the need for standardization became clear. By the late 1800s, regulations were introduced to create consistency. Wooden bats became the norm, with ash and hickory being the most popular choices due to their availability and durability. However, it wasn't until the 1990s that maple wood gained prominence, thanks to its harder, denser nature, which many players believed gave them an edge. Over the years, certain bats have become legendary, just like the players who use them. From Babe Ruth's heavy hickory bat to modern players' lightweight maple bats, each era of baseball has its own iconic stories and equipment. It all starts with these solid chunks of maple wood. These aren't just any pieces of wood. They've been specially picked and pre-cut to become future home run heroes. Each baseball player has their own perfect bat size and weight. To get it just right, we first weigh the wood. It's like finding the secret ingredient for the perfect recipe. Meet our bat-making wizard. With decades of experience, he uses his keen sense of touch and a few precise measurements to create magic. First up, he sharpens his trusty trimmer. This tool is key for shaping the bat, kind of like a sculptor with his chisel. Watch closely as the bat starts to take shape. The thicker end will be the barrel, where the ball meets its match, and the thinner end will be the grip, perfect for those power swings. Next, he carefully carves out the knob. This is the part that fits snugly in a player's hand, giving them that perfect grip for control. Then he moves to the top of the bat, shaping it with precision. Every curve, every cut, all crafted to perfection. While much of the work is done by feel, a few key measurements ensure the bat is just right. It's a perfect blend of art and science. Did you know? Different players prefer different bat balances. Long hitters like a heavy front for power, while others like a heavier handle for better control. The weight stays the same, but the balance changes the game. At this stage, the bat weighs about 1 kilogram. To make it lighter, he sands it down, removing any excess wood. Long hitters love a short grip for quick swings, while those who need more control prefer a thick grip. It's all about finding the perfect fit.
Y쪽 해가지고 또 굵게 하고. 이거 이제.
With the excess wood removed, the bat is now 850 grams. After painting, it will be 10 grams heavier, 860 grams. To mark its weight, The bat gets an 86 stamp. It's a sign of its readiness for the field.
이거 칠하면 860g 되고.
Now for the final touches. The handle is wrapped to keep it paint-free, and then it's time to add some style with designs and colors.
이래가 이제 위에 또 딱 이래 하면은.
And there you have it. A beautifully handcrafted wooden baseball bat ready to knock it out of the park.